In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add the ads.txt file to a Wix website. This is a simple process, but it helps to follow each screen carefully so your ads.txt entries are placed correctly and saved successfully. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your site settings and integrations, so it is the right place to handle ads.txt. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the area related to site settings. In most dashboards, there is a button or menu option that clearly says Settings. Next, click Settings. Take a moment to scan the settings page for options that relate to marketing or integrations. The reason for this step is that ads.txt is typically managed through marketing integrations rather than standard site tools. When you are on the settings screen, you will need to use the search feature so you can jump directly to the correct section. Now, use the search box inside Settings and search for Marketing Integrations. As you type, Wix should narrow down the list of results. Select Marketing Integrations from the results. This ensures you are opening the correct panel that contains the ads.txt connection options. After you open Marketing Integrations, you need to find ads.txt. Look through the integrations list until you see the ads.txt option. This is the feature that lets Wix manage the ads.txt file on your behalf. When you see it, you are ready to connect and add your entries. At this point, click Connect. Wix may display a short connection prompt, showing that you are linking the ads.txt feature to your site. This step matters because the ads.txt entries will not be usable until the ads.txt connection is active. Once the connection is established, click Add ads.txt. This is the place where you will actually enter your ads.txt information. If you do not see a blank input area yet, wait for the page to load, because Wix sometimes reveals the editor after you choose Add ads.txt. Next, you will paste your ads.txt entries. Make sure you paste the entries exactly as provided, including the spacing and punctuation. Ads.txt files are plain text, and each line has a specific structure. For example, many entries include an ad system, a publisher identifier, and a relationship value. The key point here is accuracy. If any character is missing or changed, it could affect how ad buyers interpret your file. As you paste, double-check that the full set of lines appears in the field. Also confirm that you are not pasting extra text from earlier sources. If there is an instructions area above the editor, read it briefly to confirm that the input expects only the ads.txt lines. After you have pasted everything correctly, click Save. This step tells Wix to store your ads.txt entries and update your site accordingly. Saving is important because changes are not applied until you confirm them. Once you click Save, give the page a moment to process the update. Now that you have saved your ads.txt entries, you can proceed confidently, knowing your configuration is in place. If your dashboard offers a status message or indicates that the update is successful, take a moment to review it before you close the panel. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.